And you want to shout out to your business?
My business is backyard gardening on the New Holland corner in St. Elizabeth, said to be the longest corner in Jamaica. That's where I'm located. And I do a varieties of vegetables, all vegetables. You may ask, what do I have? I'll ask you, what don't I have?
Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Guys, I've always wanted to find a nursery in my hometown, an organic nursery. And guess what? I found one. So guys, join me on this little nursery tour. It was unplanned, so it is not something that is really structured, but I hope that you will enjoy the little that I'm going to show you. So have fun. Let's go like a pro.
Thank you so much.
I thank you as well.
Nice meeting you guys.
Same here.
Enjoy. It's the first time here?
Yes, my first time.
Your first time here. And you're a backyard gardener as well?
Yes, we plant a little here and there.
The plant a little here and there. Right. That's the best way to go.
I tell you, nowadays especially.
Yes, and it keeps you occupied. You know,
Yes.
true, keeps you occupied and keep you at peace.
Like, eat what you grow.
You eat what I couldn't say it better. You eat what you grow and grow what you eat.
Healthier.
Right. So I just saw it and just stopped by a while ago.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to. You don't have any sign, Mr. Daley. You don't have any
Need
sign.
a sign.
You need a sign.
You know, I thought of it, but then I said, it is its own sign. It is its own sign.
Only thing is that
No one
we
would know.
plant growers. I'm always looking out.
Yes, you have an eye for things like
right,
this.
I'm always looking out to see if
Yes.
anything like this on the
Yes.
roadside, and I never knew anything was so close to home.
Imagine that.
Guys, I never knew anything was so close to home.
Just
Never
in your
knew it.
backyard.
Never in my backyard. Can you imagine?
Beautiful.
I'm thinking of a sign sometime, but I really want it to be nicely done.
Yes,
So I'm
yes.
waiting.
A lot of things here, Mr. Daley.
And I have over 20 varieties of plants here
Wow. And how long you been doing this?
since August of last year.
Wow. I'm on a hurry, so I'm gonna have to come back another day.
You
Come
must
give you a
come back.
talk.
You
Yeah.
must come back.
So I'm
give
gonna
me a talk.
purchase some things from you, and
Okay.
then I'll come back another time.
Awesome. So this is my display area.
Oh, this is your display area.
I do this to show off the things
Oh.
that I do. Carrots.
Oh, you do this for show off. And you want to shout out to your business?
My business is backyard gardening on the New Holland corner in St. Elizabeth, said to be the longest corner in Jamaica. That's where I'm
right.
located. And I do a varieties of vegetables, all vegetables. You may ask, what do I have? I'll ask you, what don't I have?
And you have a number?
I have a number 822 4047.
Got that.
Earl.
that. Earl is the first name.
Yes, please. And
Right,
thanks.
guys. See where he is located? On the road to Black River.
That's right.
Alright, so the longest corner, eh?
It is.
This is the carrot you have here. Whoa.
And if you look over here, I'm getting some
Whoa.
beauties here. I tell you.
This is so awesome, Mr. Earl.
Another shot over there.
And you use a tire.
Oh yeah, man! I use the
What
tractor
a huge
tire.
tractor tire.
Yes, so you can create your own garden
Right.
in a single tire.
In a single tire.
Yes, you can create your own garden. This one has carrot, that one has lettuce, that one has pak chow, this has
Wow.
broccoli,
Right,
cabbage.
so this one has lettuce.
lettuce,
Then you have cauliflower. Not cauliflower, pak chow.
chow.
There are two different varieties.
It's the same
Same variety.
Yes.
And here you have is kale this?
Broccoli.
This is broccoli.
Broccoli, yes.
I find broccoli so hard to grow.
But I'm just waiting for them to send out that fungi thing.
And these are some more
These are kale.
kale.
Kale in the young
Yeah,
stage.
in the young stage.
Yes.
And you have
Yes.
cabbage over
Cabbage
there.
over there.
Right.
Yep.
Look at these tires, guys. Look at them. Wow, huge. I'm going to come back another
Let's
time.
come back another time.
Right, I'm going to come back another time.
And this is my little herb spot.
And this is what? All of this here says.
All of these are my sweet pepper. They are
Oh.
the Goliath brand.
The Goliath brand.
Yes.
Right.
All
And you
across.
say in Jamaica we do the revelation.
Revelation is common.
Right.
Very common.
And this is what kind is iceberg lettuce or
This is all
romaine?
romaine lettuce.
Romaine lettuce.
Yes.
You have a lot. This is 200 for one of these as
Yes,
well?
one of the packets.
Okay. All
And
right.
you must capture my herb garden.
Oh
It's-
yes, let me capture
It's
your herb
beginning to be.
garden. So these are scotchy?
Those are scotch, yes, scotch bonnet. They call it the cup and saucer. Huge.
Cup and saucer.
Yeah, they're-
I know them.
yeah,
I know
they're-
that variety.
Yeah, they're like this when they get
Like this one here.
yeah, like this one here. Yes, and that's compost. It's all organic.
All that's what I like about the little space, you know, it's all organic, composted. Look at that.
All organic stuff.
Whoa, isn't that amazing?
Very good.
So if somebody purchases one of this is for how much?
1,500, and that's Jamaican.
1,500 Jamaican?
Yes.
Right. And it's certain to bear.
It's certain to bear. I
can
sold,
see it already.
yeah, man, I sold quite a few.
You've sold quite a few of
And
that.
if you have the time, you'll capture my time as well.
If I have the time, I capture your time. You're full of lyrics, you know, Mr. Daley. You're full, you know, tap your soul. You better you say it than me.
Okay.
And you have your black mint.
Black mint.
Right, this is a black
Come
mint.
in.
Oh, I love your display up here with your black mint.
Thank
They are so gorgeous. I'm gonna come back one day and do a full interview.
you.
You
must
won't
do
mind that?
I would love that.
You would love that.
Yes.
Yeah, you would love that.
Yes.
And you have strawberries too.
I do have strawberry in the young stage coming on.
Wow.
Trying to culture it.
You're trying to culture, but I like how you do your own compost, man.
Oh, thank
You
you.
use horse manure?
No, it's 80% goat manure mixed with grass and peelings and
So
all of that stuff.
80% grass mixed with
goat-
peeling.
80% goat
Goat.
waste mixed with peelings, but mostly grass. Say 15% grass and the other shrubs or anything that I can get.
Like you mean like peeling from the
Peeling from the kitchen,
Right.
waste from wherever, just
Right.
compost it
Right.
and have it like that.
Right.
Yeah,
So you
man.
have
I have
clients, you
man, I
have
regular thing.
customers. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Guys, look at the variety. This is sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper,
How much you sell these for
$200 per unit.
per bag?
Yes.
You have hot pepper,
I do have hot pepper. They're
scotchy.
scotchy, but they're very. I
Small?
have some bigger ones outside.
Oh, okay. So this
These
is
are-
sweet pepper,
Yeah, but this is the California Wonder brand.
California Wonder.
Yeah, I have
that's
one of-
that's a big one,
Big one.
and they come in different colors.
Yes. I think this come in different colors.
Wow, this is
I
nice.
have as well.
These are what? These are pepper as
These
well.
are Scotch bonnet pepper.
These are smaller ones that you
Smaller
tray.
ones, just coming
All
out.
right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
This looks nice. And this over here says
These are sweet pepper as well.
Mm-hmm.
They're called Goliath.
oh, different varieties.
Different variety.
Germination rate is very good. Look
Thank
at
you.
that.
Yes,
Awesome.
almost 100%.
Almost 100%
Yes.
germination rate.
Yeah, and I think if
Look
I
here,
give
is
it,
the same type this one too?
yes, if I give it time, I'll have 100.
And if you just give it time. This is a Goliath variety, you
It
said?
is, yes, it is.
Nice.
Yes, very nice.
That's the one that we normally have here in Jamaica?
No, the normally one we have is Revelation.
Or Revelation.
Revelation. That's
Wow, this is the whole that you have here, Mr. Daley.
I do, yes.
Wow.
The demand is high, so
Yeah.
I keep producing more and more. So.
Right. This is what,
great.
cabbage?
This is cabbage. This is broccoli.
This is broccoli.
Broccoli, yes.
Broccoli. You have any cauliflower?
Cauliflower, no. I should have had, but it's sold off, and I have just sown some, not yet ready.
And the broccoli is for how much?
Broccoli, $200 per unit.
Per unit as well.
Yes.
Alright,
Yeah, mine may seem a bit expensive, but it's really the compost that I have got.
Right. Because you use your own compost.
Absolutely. And any soil you put this in, it thrives the same.
Right. I'm liking that. I'm
Thank-
liking the sound of that. So if you
Yes.
if you buy it,
Yes.
then if you purchase it, the likelihood of it being coming to something is good.
It's very good. Yes,
Yeah.
it's very good.
Yeah. What
Yes.
kind of tomato this
These
is?
are plummy tomatoes, and they are the Roma
Roma
brand.
variety.
And there is an example of it over there.
Right.
Right.
I have one of that at my house, just like that. You know,
Awesome, lovely.
it is the indeterminate variety.
It
Not
is,
true.
and it
Keeps
climbs
on
up.
bearing. So beautiful. Yes, you have the rosemary as a part of your kitchen,
My herb
your
garden.
herb garden.
Yes, I do. And I
You don't have the other type of mint.
No, I'm getting it shortly though.
Yeah, I hope you can get a plant.
Yes, man. Those baskets are waiting for them.
I'm waiting for them. Nice. Well, I have few at home trying to catch, so when I'm
lovely.
coming back, maybe if that little space, then
Yes,
I can
man.
get one
You
for
catch
you.
one somewhere there and bring it along for me.
All right,
Yeah,
nice
man.
meeting you so
Oh,
much,
thank you,
Mr.
man.
Daley. So let me see what I can purchase from you
Okay,
now.
let's see what you can purchase.
Yes, so
All
I
right.
need a Scotch bonnet plant.
You need a Scotch bonnet plant. All right.
Right.
I'll get you a Scotch bonnet plant.
Yes. Right, I need a Scotchy and I need what else I need? This is your sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper. Yes, these are the Revelation brand.
This is a local Jamaican one. I think I have some of those
You
at
do?
home. Some of
Okay.
the local Jamaican
Local.
one.
What about the
The
California?
California. Let me try something else that I don't
Yes,
have.
you must try.
Right?
These are bulgy, huge peppers.
These are the huge ones.
Huge ones.
All right.
Yeah.
So give me two of those.
These. All right. And something.
Yeah, give me some
Okay,
nice
so you-
ones. Yeah. It's what you use on spray. You don't spray it. What you use on wet
You,
it.
you
with.
know, I give it a 20-20 shot. You know.
You give it a 20
Yes, man. I
shot.
just a 20-20 shot to perk it up. Yes.
Give me this one instead.
That's fine. No problem.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Nice, nice.
Perfect.
Right, so I'm gonna go with those for now
Okay.
until I come back another
And
time.
you've gotten kale. You got kale where you're at.
I don't have any kale ready right now, you know. So you have plants of kale.
I do have a few plants of kale.
Let me just take one.
Take one. Okay. All
One.
right.
Let me just take one kale for now
One
because
kale
I didn't
for now.
plan to stop. So this I just want to take at least $1,000 worth
Okay.
of things. So that is 800.
That's 800.
May I have a cabbage?
Absolutely.
Yes, let me have a
Any
cabbage.
okra?
No, I have okra.
You have
I have okra. Thank you.
Right.
The strawberries coming up.
They're
Right.
coming on. Yes.
Right. That's cabbage.
Cabbage. And I need to give you something of your choice.
Oh, you're
as
going
a
to give me something?
complimentary. Yes.
Give me another cabbage. I'll
Another
appreciate it.
cabbage be fine.
Appreciate it.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah. So you say just a shot of 2020 you use?
Yes, occasionally.
Occasionally.
Yes,
This
yes.
is so nice. Let me get my wallet.
Oh, lovely.
So
Thank
nice.
you.
Yes, but look at these two coming up nicely. These are the ones that sell for, how much for these?
1,500.
1,000 for
Pepper hanging off
And
there.
look how many buds on it already. This is amazing, man.
And this is my display for
Oh, this is your display. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that, guys. Awesome. Capture. So you cut them eventually
No, I just,
You just
keep
leave
them.
them?
Yeah, just for the show.
for the show.
Just
You're
for
full
the
of
show.
joke and lyrics. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really pretty. Oh, look here. Look at this one.
Yeah, so
Wow.
these are, I have retired.
Oh, you have retired.
Yes,
you have retired these.
they're on their third bearing.
Oh, wow.
Yes, they bear third. They're on their third
Oh, so
strain.
the red one over there too.
Yes, so I've retired these.
And
But
I
I
still
just
have
keep
callaloo
them-
in here too.
Yes, man. Look at callaloo.
Okay, so guys, let me show you some of the plants that I had bought from Mr. Daley again. These are the plants I'm going to be doing in my new video where I am going to be planting them up in my brand new garden. So let me show you what they look like. By the way, guys, I'm Sandra. If you're new here, welcome again. And I am a small backyard gardener. in the Breadbasket Parish of St. Elizabeth on the beautiful island of Jamaica. And I provide gardening tips, tricks, hacks, and DIY here on YouTube. So thank you for joining the family. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And please hit that notification bell so that every time I post, you will be notified. So guys, do you have a nursery in your area? What are some of the plants that you like to pick up at your nursery that you may not have germinating at your own farm? Let me hear about it in the comments. So guys, if you're enjoying this tour and you would like to view my other tours, you can access them on my playlist right here on my channel. Have fun. So guys, thank you so very much for joining me on this little nursery tour. It was unplanned, so hopefully I'll get another chance to visit Mr. Daley and really have a great and in-depth interview with him. I also thank Mr. Daley for accommodating me on this unplanned tour. So guys, if you are on the hunt for some organic plants, you can always stop by Mr. Daley's, and I'm sure that he'll be glad to accommodate you in making sure that you get your right organic plants for your garden. So thank you very much again guys for joining me on that little tour. Join me in my next video where I'm going to be planting those organic plants in my brand new garden. You don't want to miss that. Thanks again guys for watching. Until Miss Uno next time, walk good. Lots of love guys. Bye bye.